DJM TV. DJM TV.
Country people, now welcome to DJM TV. Today we dey for National Identity Management Commission (NIMC). Why we dey here? We come sake of say we hear say they be dey on strike and they don't call off the strike. So we come make sure say yes, they begin to carry their activities. And truthfully, as we reach here, we see many people forget. If you look back now, many people dey the gate. They try to see how they go fit take enter inside. So meanwhile, one first go inside, maybe we go see what they really they happen for inside. Whether the activities when they need to do, like the registration and every others, whether they really do them. Like the elderly, so they allow them to come in. Okay. Now, how far since you come here? How far?
We come here since 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And here now, you know they fast. If like say the machine is not enough, and the queue here, we just dey here they suffer for many things. And here now, the way when it take day, I beg if they get machine, may they come support these people. Small time they say the crowd too much, machine not reach. This one. So we dey beg government. As far as they say they want to do this thing, better bring enough machine. Better because people are dying here. We know it's this morning. We just dey here. Sun they beat us. Dust they cover us. But here we sleep safe. We dey suffer. Better bring machine. As far as the government they want make we do this thing, we are ready. So better bring machine. That's the one they talk. Now we want to know.
So you dey for queue?
I dey for queue. I enter the queue since to 5. Now I enter queue.
We are queueless.
I dey now. Till now never reach me.
The queue not they move at all.
They no dey move at all. At all. At all. Only 3 people now we enter.
From your queue?
I'm telling you.
Okay.
They say the machine not enough fast. We don't know why the problem like this.
My name is Michael.
Okay. You talk now say that they say they do ojoro. How?
See, now people go come from nowhere. They will just carry them enter inside. They will not go even ask any question on security. No coordination of security. Nothing. We are there now. See people for clients since morning. We just there. See now we there since old men there for queue. See old men for that side. No provision of amenity. People there old men. They only 100 years, 70 years. They come say 99. They can't do. They not do provision. Everybody go out they enter in here. See the people. They be like say they smuggle. They enter inside.
Okay. Now they give you number.
They never give us.
They don't give anybody
no number.
No number, nothing.
Because
6 o'clock.
the woman talk now for instance say they book.
They don't they book.
Say they book.
They don't they book down.
They book.
They don't unless in a money or unless you get some personality where they book for. But for we not they book.
For that money, the woman talk and the coordinator. He say if they ask you money, may you not give.
What are people that not give already? People that don't silence some kind of things. Like Obi.
Okay, you do have attention for this old.
We have no arrangements.
Okay.
And there so people there 6 o'clock. You know, we stand for line. We dey queue.
Okay.
We stand. I go that they come. We dey line sit down. No yet to sit down. We dey side some. No food, nothing. They even give us up. Say okay. People dey enter set. Since now only one set. 10 people since now. Since 6 o'clock now 10 people since. No hope for us. Say to them what they do. And I say. Small time I say they want to our account. Me come because say money when my account my school fees now. You say my account not here. I said that was in business. So 50,000 now here. I accommodate my account. I go prove and I say I will go bring this number come before they go back and attend to me. No, my picking now. All people they don't try for answer because of no answer. Don't meant to pay for answer. Me this month. Then my picking say, can you go back to school? I find place pack your proof first now. To me, solve the problem. I can't collect money, give you to pay for school fees. None of them here. My pick the outside now, no. When I see a pay it for school now, no. When me they help us, me I talk to them, help us. Me they give for me. When they work for them, no. Because people they feel from. So say the fifth form. So people they to me.
For here,
They
the fifth form here.
They say if to enter now.
Okay.
Now never enter. So they enter, they will give the form fee.
Okay.
The phone they go measure height.
Okay.
Why you call it delay? They will say that set day. People in fifth form, they go measure height. They go submit the paper. Why don't people fifth form? Why not put on that set? Enter exam, they go fifth form. And we didn't say we not know when we day. We don't tomorrow go reach our turn. Or the next one we not know because since morning now, I only tell people they don't see when they say. This is why I come. What I talk now? Tomorrow say after 11 to 12 now. Look outside. I made on the TV I did for that side. I don't know where I go reach my talk today. Ah, but they show my big friend school say today or tomorrow someone go give them. Huh? May they help us. Now beg we beg. May they help us. Those they didn't make they work their work. If the computer not reach, may go make big computer come. Or if you not reach, may they study, may they share for different bank. May the bank still they help. Under the office they do that what they call her. This one they here, so if you help other government office, they will say if you help these people like this in their short. Now Nigeria we dey. Why some people like this like say we be slave for our whole country again?
Okay. The opportunity given is very good. Okay. Well, what thing I get to talk for the matter when I see here and I say, the citizens of Nigeria, we are suffering. This is not how a process of conducting an NIM is supposed to go through.
Okay.
The strength we are using to stand here, if we dare, we will still do the NNN. Now, what do you mean one ask? May not be able to speak too much English. I'm not the only one complaining. There are many persons here.
Okay.
Married women with babies and kids, they are here. The process is not even going as planned. Since when I did and even like I think can't even pass my front, go do one coin, not pass 4. The aspect of the material used for it is not a problem. Now lack of experience now they cause some. Now what do you mean I see you? Because people when they go inside come outside, so you not get it they talk. When we see they here since population not they move. People not they join us. Now when they here.
What can be your suggestion now to them?
My suggestion I just say make everybody they do the right thing to do. I don't need to tell them for office the right thing to do. Because people when they inside here so the office do the work perfectly there. And we'll get out of here.
Those writing I would like make you hammer some, hit some, so that at least then go here.
Since not be one person they talk to, I never enter inside now. Now it be the limitation when they give me. If me don't enter now, me go feel advice properly. What did they happen inside now? What human being they do? It's not beyond our effort. Maybe let us see what they happen inside. But we know what make us the outside here. So my information, based of knowledge, I know there are limited number of people to be registered a day. What is wrong for a good Nigerian to come out and tell us the truth? So that we know how many people will not register today and will go home. Then waste time here. If we collapse, no free hospital. I don't talk finish.
Mommy, I beg you go. First of all, give us your name. Then you tell us what thing you observe here.
Mrs. Obasuyi, my name.
Okay.
The thing we observe here, people wait there almost 100.
Okay.
So as since when me come since morning now, and my leg don't they shake for ground. I they turn me. So me I not come for. If I fall now, my children go come rush me go hospital. Now another expenses. Me want go now, want go house now. I don't tire. Now be the thing. I don't tire. My dear, people too much.
May Nigeria change. May Nigeria change for all this rubbish. They are not saving us. They are not saving Nigeria. All those people, they are not saving us. Make them change for everything.
I'm gonna do it for the time when I talk.
Yeah.
Country people, we don't talk to so many people. We go inside, we come out, and so far we say the people when we talk with, many of them not they happy. Second, say the kind of condition where they go through. Many of them talk say since as early as 5, now they don't take the air, and they there for queue not they move. But one good thing when they talk, we say nobody they ask them money. Meaning the rumor for say that they collect money to take enter, in not there. And again, many of them say they don't get tired. Second, say they never even still eat, and so many of them they decide now so that they go house. So from the National Identity Management Commission, NIMC for PZ Road, Nami Stanley Okucha for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.